Hello guys, I hope you all are doing good. So today I am going to make a video that is how to take input from user, and obviously that will be in Django. That means you will create a project in Django and you will take input from the user. So for creating the Django project you have to have a virtual environment, and for creating virtual environment you have to give one name to a virtual environment. So you all know that for creating virtual environment we have previously did a video how to create a virtual environment. That is, you will run the command, that is python hyphen m venv, that is the module to create the virtual environment, and then you will give the name of the virtual environment. So after giving the creating the environment you will go to the script folder and then you will activate it. So let me show you how to activate it. So here I have created the virtual environment, and inside it you will go to the script folder, and inside here you will, upon selecting the address, you will type cmd, then you will press enter. So see, we came inside the script folder and here you will activate the virtual environment. For activating we will type a and then you will press the tab, it will automatic the activate word will come and then you will hit enter. So see here the virtual environment got activated. So inside virtual environment we will install our Django. But remember that don't install the Django inside the script folder. Also don't create the project inside the script folder. It should be outside the script folder. So for coming out of the script folder, what you will do, you will type cd, that is short form of change directory, then you will give two dots and you will hit enter. So you see you came out of the script folder. So now you're in this D drive. Inside D drive you are in the Python program, and inside Python program you are in this env basic folder, and you see here our already the virtual environment is activated. So always remember that whenever you will first, you know that one time you have to install Django and later you can create any n number of project you want inside the virtual environment. So you can give any name to a virtual environment. I gave my name, that is uh, a simple one, you can see that is a user input. So let me go to this cd. So to go to the project, what I will write, okay, let me first tell you once again that how you can create project. So first you will run the command to install. If you don't have in your machine, then you will run the command pip install Django. So upon hitting this command, the Django will get installed. Since I have already installed in my machine, so I am not doing this one. And then for after this command you will type another command, that is Django hyphen admin start project, and then you will give the project name. For in my case my project name is user input. So upon hitting this command your project will get created inside the env underscore basic folder. So I am not doing this one as my project is already created. So I am just going to my project directory. So let me see. Yes, it came inside the project directory. Now I will open my VS Code. For opening VS Code, you will type code space and you will press dot. Here dot symbolize period. Okay, and then you will hit enter. See. it already came. You can see here what I have done is that you can see here already this asgi.py, settings.py, urls.py, and wsgi.py will be there. And this file will not be there initially. Okay, this will be not be there, I have created later on. So let me just remove it and let me show you how to do it. So what I am doing, let me just remove this one for showing you. Let me remove this file also. Let me remove this folder also. And inside settings, let me remove this one. So initially your settings will be the inside settings. Okay, so upon when you will just press the code dot this create command, so automatically your Visual Studio Code will open. Okay, and see inside it what you will see, there will be two file. One is manage.py and another one will be there, that is the same name as the name which you have given to the project. And inside it you will see there are total 5 files. 1 2 3 4 5 here. So inside the URL spy, let me remove this one, and let me remove also this one because there is no views file. So initially you will have this type. You can see in urls.py, upon creating you will have this one. So what is it? That from Django directory we are accessing the country file and we are importing the admin class. Similarly, from Django directory we are accessing the URLs file and we are importing it from the path. That is, it's a very simple one. That is, from Django.country, we are importing the admin class. And here URLs, it is an array, and inside it you can see there is a path function. And here there are two parameters, that is one admin, a string one, and one other one is admin.site.urls. So what we will do? So now we will create a view.py file. For creating it, you will go here. Remember it that you will create views.py file inside this user input. So for creating it, you will come here and then you will give views. Okay, remember one thing, it's not mandatory that you will give views only to the file name. You can give any other name, but conventional name use views because if we know the MVT template, that is model views template, here we tell it views, therefore convention it is better to use views only. Okay, so we are inside the views file. So inside views file, what I will do now, I will write the code. So let me just write the code, that is from Django dot shortcuts import render. Then I will give one function def home. We know that for defining function in Python we use the keyword def home. Inside it we will give request, and then we will return render. Inside it we will give request index.html. Okay, so uh, one thing you can see that here it's showing expected indented block. Okay, and here you see request is not defined. So for that we are just sending the request, right? Where we are sending the request we have to give the URL. So inside this URL file, urls.py file, we will import. What we will import? Can anyone tell what we can import? If you have seen my previous video you can tell. So we will import views. So where I can import these views? Since the views file is inside the user input, so from user input I will import views. So let me do it. From user input I will import views. Okay, and here what I'm just tapping another path function. Inside it I'm giving an empty string, and I'm just accessing the home function. For accessing, what we have to do, we have to give the file name dot function. So since the home function is in the views file, so we are giving the views dot home, and then we are giving the name. Here you can see that we have used the concept of polymorphism. Since we know that polymorphism is, poly means many and morphism means different forms. Since here the name of the function is same, you see path, and here also path, but inside the function the parameters are different, because here there are two parameters and here we are using a three parameters. So what is the meaning of polymorphism? That is, the function will have the same name but having different parameters, and since the function is having different parameters, by it we can distinguish the functions. And so let me come here. Okay, return will be, this is a indentation problem. So it went. So what we are doing, from Django directory we are importing the shortcut file. We are accessing the shortcut file and we are importing the render function. And here we are just sending the request and index file. So where is this index.html file? For that we have to create outside, not inside the user input but outside the user input, one folder. So you can give the name of the folder as templates. Inside template you will create one file, that is index.html. So inside this one what you will do, you will just press shift, and with that you will press 1. See, immense abbreviation came, you click upon it, you will get the this doc type html. Then inside the body what you will write, you can give anything you want. Suppose I want to give hello to my tutorial, So inside h1 tag I will give hello, welcome to my tutorial. Okay, and for this sense we have wrote it in this template. So inside the settings.py you will go to the templates array, and inside it there is one directory array, and here you will inside inverted comma you will write templates. Clear? Now let's see it save only. So how we will run? It's not that we will run from here. Okay, so for running this code, for running the server, what we will do, we will come to this one cmd, and here you will type python manage.py run server. Let's see what's coming. So system check identified no issue, and it's started development server at this port address. So let me copy this port address, and I will now go to the Chrome and I will press it here. So you see, hello, welcome to my tutorial. Like make it a little bit uh, design one. See, it came. So hello, welcome to my tutorial. So this port address, this address my browser is running, my sorry, the development server is running. So how you can quit this server? You can just type Control C and see, you will just come out of the server. That is, your server got stopped. So here you see how we created a Django project, and then how we inside the Django project how we created views.py file. Inside views.py how we have created one function, and then we are sending the request, and request is taking in the URLs, and then here we are accessing the home function. And for accessing the home function we have to give, that is we are importing views, because this home function is inside the views.py file. And for the creating, we are creating one template folder, and inside it we are creating a file index.html. And upon running the server we can see everything which are written in this html file. So hope you have understood it, and in the next video I will show you how to take input from the user. And stay tuned to the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.